Cause well, yeah, I can see I'm wrong, but because from what I learned, this from here to there was the structure point. So after it breaks, the first lower high is the actual lower high that made the lower low. From what I previously
So
knew.
exactly. So from what you previously know, the reason why you're marking here is because you have here as the break of the structure.
Right.
So you're only considering a trend after break of structure happened.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, a trend starts before break of structure happens. Break of structure is just subjective. You understand now?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
So this is where the trend started from.
Okay.
Because if I cut this guy out, for example, okay, if I cut this guy out, can you see that?
Yeah.
Does it make sense now?
Yep. That would, because then if I don't see the rest of it, this would be where the first push that created that lower low.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So break of structure is just subjective. You know that, but what does break of structure really represent? Break of structure represents a possible shift in momentum.
Okay.
Okay. Just a possible shift in momentum, that's all. Okay.
Yeah, I follow.
A possible shift in momentum, that is what break of structure is. It doesn't necessarily mean that momentum has been shifted, but it is possible that momentum has been shifted. So you need to look at other things that are critical to ascertaining that, okay, could it be that momentum has been shifted?
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying now?
Yeah.
So
You
that's
gotta.
very important. Now, let me show you. I like when I'm explaining, I'll show you chart examples. I show you chart examples. So let's look at the charts together and see if we catch some examples here.
You caught all these trades?
Yeah, these are all the trades I've caught in the past.
Wow.
Okay, so now let's look at let me just take this time frame to 5 minutes is not bad, but let's just do it here so that where you have clear structure and everything.
Okay.
Now look at this here. What do you have from the top here? You have lower low, lower high, 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 lower low, right?
Yep.
Do you see this?
Looks like a higher high, higher low, higher high.
Exactly. We came down. Let's even leave that out of it. This, 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 this. Right?
Right.
So this, then this, right here. You see that?
Yeah.
Now, before this trend started pushing to the upside right there, do you see what happened here?
Over. Oh, okay. It was making higher low, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low.
Sorry, let me zoom in. Can you see that we had this downtrend here? Okay, we had this downtrend here. Then this happened here.
Right.
Where were we expecting break of structure here?
Yeah, the last lower high.
Right? But where did this trend started from? Here. So does it mean when price came back here, you want to buy? You wait all the way for price to come here before you can consider a buy. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So the buy already started before you even noticed. Then sometimes by the time you notice, it's already too late because price might just come and take you out.
Right. All the time. Well, it happens often to me.
Yeah.
So you're saying that
Yeah.
when sorry, would you mind just
I'm
saying that
just
again?
saying, what I'm saying is you should know where a trend starts from.
Okay, from that first higher low that
Yeah,
makes the
that
higher high.
exactly. That's
Okay.
just the thing. It's just important for you to know all of this. It's not like it is going to be how do I put it? Not like we're going to really use all of those very that much, but it's very important to pay attention to it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Mm.
following.
Like for example, now if you look at this one here, look at this. For example, you have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
You see this?
Yeah.
Now, where did the trend start from? Here. Where did you have breakout structure? Here.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one here. You see this, 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 this. Where did the trend start from? Here.
From this.
You can see that exactly. But where did you have breakout structure? Here.
Yeah, up there. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. So, but because you don't pay attention to all of those details, you just be like, okay, breakout structure here, then we have pullback, and then we buy. No, there is more detail you're leaving out.
Right.
Okay. So that's the market for you. Let me go to a much more higher time frame. Let's see what it looks like on daily time frame. Now, this is the daily time frame. For example, here, daily right here. See, daily not giving you those details as you want it. Let's look at 4 hour. Okay, cool. Now look at this 4 hour time frame. What do you have here? You have this low, this high, this low, this high, this low. Do you have breakout structure? No, you didn't. Right?
Right.
But then trend started there.
From that low,
Exactly.
This higher low.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. And we bought here, bought here, bought here. Right. Okay. So that's the thing. Very, 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 very important to take note of. Is it making sense now?
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Awesome. So let's get back to our whiteboard. So that is what you need to pay close attention to in the basic market structure. In other words, our trading system, we don't use breakout structure at all. At all. But don't worry, you're going to see, you witness a lot of calls. You're going to realize that I don't label breakout structure on my chart. The only thing you see is fake breakout structure, mostly.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said
So
fake
that's why.
fake breaker structure?
Yeah, fake breakout structure.
Okay. Yeah, I remember that term.
FBOS.
Just making sure.
Yeah, FBOS.
Yeah.
So now, we move to the next one, which is the demand, the supply. Right? Okay, let's look at retail trading versus smart money trading first. Okay, do you know why we're looking at all of this?
What, retail and smart money traders?
Yeah, the basics in terms of structure. Now we're looking at retail and smart money traders. Do you know why we're looking at it? No, you don't.
No, I don't.
We're looking. Yeah, we're looking at this because we want to go deep into how they trade, right?
Right.
Just these guys, they make profit too, and they take losses, right? A lot of losses, yeah.
Yeah.
So who wants to know how they pick their trades that enable them to take profits, make profit from their trade, and what they do that makes them to take losses on their trade?
Right.
So if you can tell why they take losses on their trade consistently, and you can figure out why, then that means, in other words, reverse psychology, you can figure out how to become profitable consistently.
Yeah.
Do you understand? And you know the funny thing is, the reason why they take losses is actually the same pattern that is being used to manipulate them all the time.
Yep.
And now that we know the pattern, it enables us to become profitable almost all the time too.
So,
Makes sense, yeah?
yeah, that makes sense. You know, because I
Awesome.
realized when I was trading, I used to be in IML and I used to trade a smart money concept, and everything they told me was structure. Like every now and again, the structure point would get ran, and I think that the trend was changing, but it would just keep going in the
Yeah.
other way. So I knew there was something funny going on. Yeah, I kind of saw it already, but I just didn't know what it was.
But you just don't know what it was,
No
yeah.
idea. Yeah.
I actually I started with IML too.
Yeah,
My
IML. They have
journey,
some.
my first journey started with IML then.
They have some decent stuff, but nothing that compares to this though.
Yeah, they do. They do. Alright. IM Academy. Okay, so now we know this. I don't want to remove this from my chart, so you can take. Are you taking screenshots?
Oh, can I?
Yeah, you can take screenshots. You
Uh,
just can't record.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna
Yeah.
screenshot it right
Let-
now.
Yeah, I want to expand it a little for you. Okay,
All right, I got it.
awesome. Now, let's look at this retail guys. The retail and then the not so smart guys, smart money. Smart money is no longer smart again.
Yeah, no, not even close.
Yeah, my smart money is getting induced. So I'm just going to play down with this. Now, these guys, what's common between the two of them is, let's start with the first thing that is common between the two of them is trend. Everybody sees trend as what? Higher high, higher low. 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 Higher high. Same thing, smart money sees trend as higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high.
Right.
Good. Now, this is let me do this. Hold on. I'm just going to take you up a little because I'd like to play with you down below. Get you up a little. Now, after this, after the trend, then comes the differences between the two of them. The first difference between smart money and retail trading is the fact that retail traders sees support and resistance.
Right.
Right? Support, resistance. Resistance becomes support. Resistance becomes support. Okay. Why smart money or institutional traders, what they see is order block. Order block. Order block. You know what I mean by order block, yeah?
Yeah, the last down candle before the up move.
Yeah, that's a type of order block. That's called sponsored candle.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is can still be seen as the last down candle before the up move too. But when you start refining it, then you be coming to the candle that is right here, right?
Right.
And that is that's called the sponsored candle.
Okay.
Okay. So now, because the thing there is, we'll get to that